Hello there, saluda Mal Tiempo Report. En este informe hablo en español primero y después en inglés, sí. Y hoy tenemos muchas cosas de que hablamos. Primero, aquí en el noroeste pacífico, tormenta tropical Jebi ha tocado tierra. Y la última advertencia, según el JTWS, se ha emitido, no sé, ha tocado tierra. Esta es satélite, loop de satélite, no sé la español palabra. La palabra español por loop, sí. Esta es Jebi. Jebi ha tocado tierra, es la verdad. Y por aquí hay una zona de probabilidad, pero en el momento es baja, según el JTWC. En el Atlántico hay una zombie storm, sí, zombie tormenta. Dorian está viva otra vez, sí. Dorian está ahora una depresión tropical. Dorian a convertirse en una onda tropical por aquí, sí. Y ahora es activa, no sé. O de nuevo, está vivo. Dorian, no hay ninguna peligros afectando tierra en el momento. Y creo que no hay ninguna en el futuro también. Sí. Esta por aquí es Dorian. Depresión tropical Dorian, sí. Y hay una nueva depresión tropical 8E. Y esta depresión es la futura Henriette, no sé. Y hay también tormenta tropical Gil. Ambas tormentas, no hay ninguna peligros afectando tierra también. Sí, y es todo en el momento. No peligros afectando tierra aquí, pero hay muchas lluvias aquí, creo que. Sí, y es todo para hoy, o algo. Sí. Okay, so English. We've got Tropical Storm Jebi. Jebi has had the final advisory admitted on that one since the thing is now over land. And of course, lots of rain with that thing as it debilitates or whatnot. Yes, and then we've got this low chance of tropical cyclone formation per the JTWC. And then Dorian, who disappeared, like a week ago or something, hereabouts or whatnot. Dorian actually became, a tropical wave. Well, apparently the remnants of Dorian have been hanging on forever and now have, reestablished its... Dorian has once again become a tropical cyclone officially. But yeah, so how about that? No land hazards on that one, and no land hazards on these either. We've got the ex-Hurricane Gil, who's now a tropical storm, who's just predicted to continue to debilitate at some point. Weaken! Not debilitate, they say weaken. And then we've got this new one, 8E, Tropical Depression, the future Tropical Storm Henriette. Because once they reach tropical storm status, they are given a name. Well, and of course, to clear that up, this one got a name because once upon a time it did already make it to tropical storm status. And then it just kind of fell apart, even though they were expecting much more of it originally or something. I don't know. Right. So that is what is going on. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. So this thing will be gone. Well, it'll be gone from the page. It will, of course, still be a whole bunch of cloudiness of parts of land. Yes, but that is what is going on tropical cyclone-wise. Tornado and hail and wind-wise today in the US. We had one watch in effect as of the time I load the page. It looks like there's a warning. We'll check on that. So, one severe thunderstorm watch for Montana in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Time this evening. Oh, wow, we've got a couple more warnings now at this point. Tornado warning for Colorado, and we've got a severe thunderstorm warning for Colorado and New Mexico, so there's your tornado warning. And of course, by the time you're watching this, this will probably be long out of date. In general today, what this is the map showing the probability of severe winds. This would be winds 58 miles per hour or greater. So here's a 15 over here, 15 back there. On the wind map, there's two things, or not wind map, on the hail map, there's two things going on. So as you've got as high as a 30% chance of 1 inch or larger hail, and then where this black hatched area is indicating where there's an enhanced threat of the very large hail, which would be 2 inches or larger. So 30% is the highest, and then 2 inch or larger hail is more likely to occur there than anywhere else. And then you've got that 5%. Tornado-wise is actually a pretty big threat area today, and being as high as 5%. So something obviously to pay attention. Tomorrow it tapers off a bit to a 5%, but, you know, it kind of looks like, what, that foot thing? Pegasus foot? What do they call that thing? But then, day 3, it jumps back up. They've got as high as 15% for where we've got South Dakota and Nebraska mainly. And then days 4 through 8 actually have something. This is, what, the first time in a couple weeks, a month, that they've had something on the medium range outlook. So day 4, that'd be August 6th. Something to pay attention to if you're up in that area. So, SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WicketWix is WICKEDWX.com, and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today, and now we turn on all of the satellite layers for no reason in particular. That is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.